This is so exciting!
Our new home. Pretty nice.
Let's go inside! After you!
It looked different in the brochure.
I don't remember so much mess!
I'm so sorry, sweetie.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, don't cry. It'll be okay. I'll think of something. I promise. Look. Ready?
Let's do this!
Show no fear. Please don't let there be any spiders.
Attack!
I'm never using that brush again. This is hard work.
Help!
That's my girl. Now to get rid of this old newspaper.
Oh, cartoons! This is so funny! Look, Daddy! I'm a bird! Take this box!
What a shot. Keep him coming, kiddo.
I'll take this one. Let's go!
Wow. What a change. Good job. Is that the time? You need to get to school.
Bye, Daddy!
I still have a lot to do. Let's get to work. This is personal. I'm taking you down. Oh, look at that action. Oh yeah, that feels good. I should do this professionally. I'm unstoppable. Ah! I'm on a roll. Think I forgot about you? No! Get off me! It was a trap! A fresh coat of paint will look great. What a pretty color. My favorite. Oops, that's a little too much. I'll just scrape off the excess with this metal ring. That way I don't make a mess or waste paint. That's better. Now that looks good. Need to make it nice and even. This is actually quite relaxing. This is going quicker than I thought. Ugh, I can't reach! If only I was taller. Or I could use a ladder. That's better. Last part. What a great job. Okay, what's next? I'll put some glue on this wood. I'll need a lot more than this. I need to make sure it's secure. And I'll press it onto the wall. I'll put this piece here. Now for the rest. The last piece. I need to make sure it's level. There we go. Phew, this is hard work. Ugh, I mean, oh no you don't. Don't take another step. I'm sorry, don't hurt me. You can stay.
Whoa! This is amazing! Dad?
Mouse! A giant scary mouse! Look at its eyes. It's dangerous.
No. Take the cheese, Mr. Mouse.
Huh? Whoa! What? Oh no!
Ugh, that hurt!
Okay, what's next? I know. This is heavy. Luckily, I work out.
This is so easy.
And this one can go here. Give me a hand with this. That's it. Time for the fun part. This hinge can go right here. And I'll screw it in place. I feel so manly. That's 1, 2, 3. I'll drill a hole here. And thread this rope through. Let's see if it works. Put the box inside, honey.
I've got some more.
I'll close it back over now.
These boxes can go in these holes.
We'll place the mattress on top. Perfect. We need to put the bed sheets on.
And the pillows. Can't forget my teddy.
It looks so cozy. Try it.
Me? Oh, okay. Oh! My head!
Oh no. Sorry.
Don't worry. I have an idea. Pass my bag.
What? These?
Yeah, give me it.
Okay.
This is what I need. We'll put this sheet of wood here. Then split the foam tube in half. I'll put glue on the flat side. That should do it. Then glue it to the wood. I'll do the same with the other pieces of foam until the wood is covered, like this. And we'll cover it with a blanket. We need to press the blanket into the gaps. Make sure it's tight. There! Now I have a headboard for my bed! Okay, here goes! I didn't bang my head! It's so comfortable. Huh? That mirror is gross! I need to clean it. Wow, these stains are really tough. This might take a while. Seriously? It's not coming off. What will I do? Oh! My paints! I guess I need to get creative. I'll just paint over the mark. This is actually fun! And now to fill it all in. I can't miss any spots. I think that's it. But it needs something else. I know! I'm sure I have it. I'll stick this around the edge. This'll look so good. I'll just follow the curves. Almost there. Finished! It's even better than I thought! Selfie time!
What will we do with this stuff? I'll put them in the trash. Just stay right here, darling.
Whoa! This alley is pretty cool! Oh! Look at that! I'm gonna take these lights!
What?
I love them! We need to take these, Dad!
It's garbage.
Ooh, this cotton!
But we have garbage at home.
And this stand! I think that's everything! Start by placing the stand on a flat surface. Then apply paint. Use even brush strokes. Once you've painted the lamp, place it to one side and allow it to dry. Next, cut a circle in a soda bottle and put the fairy lights inside. Push the bottle onto the stand. Hang beads and glass jewelry from the bottle. Once that's done, apply glue to the soda bottle. Then stick the cotton to it. Make sure to cover the bottle completely. We don't want any gaps. A rain cloud night lamp! Wow! Daddy!
It's beautiful, dear.
Where can it go? I've nowhere to put it, Daddy!
Don't cry. We can use this box.
Really?
Look, you can go right here. I'll use 2 more for height. A bedside table. Put your lamp on it.
Thanks, Daddy! It looks great!
I think we need some finishing touches. A bit of greenery. The cat can go here. And a rug.
This is so cute! I think that's everything!
Whoa! Is it even the same room? What a difference!
I love it, Daddy! With a little imagination and some hard work, even the worst room can sparkle. We hope this video inspired you. What would your ideal room look like? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.